All right, so show me what we got, Mr. Scott.
Well,
you got most of the heavy crap
yeah.
off.
Well, if you look, you can see how messed up the valve covers are. I'm going to have to straighten them.
Yeah.
So the gasket will stay right. But you can see how that coming out. So I'm using a roll-lock disc on a drill to get all the excess gasket and glue and crap off, which...
Yeah, they've been in there a while, too.
Yeah. So we'll have to straighten them, clean them. So the gaskets, yep.
And then they'll paint them a little bit.
Yep. But they're getting there. I mean, you can see the bow right here. You can see this is bowed. This is bent and twisted. This is bent and twisted right here.
What do we got?
I mean, you can see it all there. So I'm almost halfway through this one to get it ready to go.
It just takes time to do it right.
Yep, exactly. But I got to get my rag back so that I can put this back in the vise and actually use it. So right now we're just going to place it.
All right.
So on that note,
in a moment.
We'll catch you guys on the next one.